your mind. Sometimes I can't believe, wondering what you was thinking when he let you leave. You try to leave, I might get down on my hands and knees. Just believe it, girl, you make me weak. But a lot of them want your position, but they tripping. You been with me since the beginning, that's the way I'ma end. And just in case you feel you cannot stay.
Cars closing.
I trade it all for a guarantee.
Spot in your heart. I'm tell you, man. Hey. Y'all better take notes at the crib.
See, we was cool until you start doing all that extra, bro. I'ma whip, then dab. Pipe it up, then stab. I'ma bring it back down. We gonna turn. What happened? You stopped dancing.
Blast you up.
Oh, this YN shit gotta go, y'all. I have to go get some stuff for my apartment because look at this, y'all. Come look at this. Come look at this. Look at this. Y'all, look at this. I got clothes all on the ground, bro. And it's cause me and Nicole, she had me deep clean my closet. And she helped me out because I did have stuff everywhere. You feel me? I'm bringing y'all Negroes with me because y'all is not finna be at the house by yourself.
Okay.
Y'all not old enough to be at the house by yourself, and y'all.
I'm old enough. I sit alone at the house all the time.
You do not be at the house all the time. No, you don't. See, I see what they be talking about. You be lying, Nia.
I'm not be lying.
You be lying. You never be at the house by yourself. I didn't been at the house.
Yes,
you never been at the house by yourself.
No,
I never seen that.
Get out my face.
To the left, to the left. Going back to the left. Change the fractions. That was a song we sung.
No.
Okay. Can I get off the game? You losing, bro. You're not good. Get off the game, bro. Come on, bro.
Actually, my man is winning.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. That's not your man. He's not even a man. He's not even a man. He's a boy. He's a boy. You a boy.
Just get pressed. Oh my God.
She's trying to jack me up. That's not funny, bro. Come on, bro. We need to go to Walmart, bro.
Come on, let's do it.
Come on, Nia.
Bro, we got to put our shoes on.
Bro, I don't care if y'all walk outside barefooted.
Nope.
We need to go. No, bro. I'm impatient. I'm impatient when it comes to them.
You can wait.
Yeah, you know what? You lucky you my girl's sister. I would have been beat your butt.
Then do it then.
What you running up on me? Boy, I'll blick you down, boy. You better watch out. I'll blick that young man down. Neil, what you say my car smell like?
Your car smell like.
Why would you say that?
I just felt like saying it.
That's not funny, bro. That was kind of mean. I ain't gonna lie, that was kind of mean. Bro, why is both y'all in the back seat? Bro, get in the front seat, bro.
No, bro.
Get in the front seat. Come
I'm
on.
dogging the cat in the air.
Kanaje, Nia, one of y'all get in the front seat. Who both sits in the back seat? Why y'all? Nobody's in the front seat. Come on, bro. We gotta go before the store.
We gotta go to
Before the store closed. Bring.
Come on.
We're waiting on you.
Get in the front seat, bro. Bro, why are you throwing stuff at me, bro?
Cause don't be throwing stuff. Fuck.
Watch out, I see you, nigga.
It's gonna come eventually. You trying to go to Walmart, bro?
Oh, listen, bro. Okay, bro. Y'all okay? Come on, go ahead, walk in front of me. I don't trust y'all. I don't trust y'all. You break into car still, Kanaje?
Huh?
You still break into cars? My bad. I be thinking you like YN status. You like dudes that break into cars?
No.
Nah, he do.
That's why I don't do that.
He do that. So I advise you to leave him alone, brother.
We steal.
Y'all steal.
No, I'm just playing that.
You steal with him? That's some Bunny and Clyde
stole when I
stuff.
was
Like
little.
stealing together. You really stole when you was little?
I sold one chocolate bar and then.
Have you ever stole out of Walmart? I have. Have you?
Yeah.
I have too.
After school at Uplift.
I'm gonna ask a Walmart worker. Have you ever stole out of Walmart?
Huh?
Have you ever stole out of Walmart?
What?
Have you ever stole out of Walmart?
No.
You never.
Never. Like even before you worked here.
Before you worked here, you never stole out of Walmart.
You just like before?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe.
Nah, he stole. Everybody have his normal, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, Walmart used to, when you a kid, they just let you walk out with stuff. They don't care, bro. They gonna check the cameras. What they gonna do? Arrest a baby? They not gonna arrest a baby. I'm tripping. Remember what I need to get. I need to get Benz. Hey, I'm not Nicole. I'm not buying scooters and stuff. Okay.
How about a chocolate bar?
I buy a chocolate bar, but I ain't buying scooters and stuff like y'all was buying when y'all was with Nicole. Merry Christmas. Hey, Kanaje, what you want for Christmas, bro? I think about getting you something.
That I think about it. Give me some pineapples and some tahini.
No, like not today. Like during Christmas. That's all you want?
Pineapples and tahini.
Right. That's what he want. What you want for Christmas, Nia? What you ask your mom for?
Actually, I got a list.
A list? A long list?
No, it's not that.
You give me like you asked for a lot. Lots, brother. We gotta find the bins in this bit. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we find the bins in this bit. Cause I don't know how to maneuver around this bit with a stick. Nigga play, I'ma spit. Cause I'ma spit. Hit a lick.
Cause I'm the.
What you got to say? Cause I'm the wanna play, hit him with a blick, spit. Nigga wanna play, hit him with a kick. I don't play soccer, but I'ma hit him with a kick.
And I don't even stream, but you know I do kick.
And you know I get on Twitch too. Nigga wanna play, I'ma hit him too. That's how we rap though. That's what, excuse me, I'm so sorry. It's Kanaje. Oh, you a dick. I'll do it. Kanaje, can you catch? You just threw that at him. What are they playing with pillows for? You like this one? You don't like it?
Oh, you got the camera in your hand, so I can't even do you how I want to do you with this pillow.
She gonna catch it, bruh. Nah, I don't want. I got the camera. I got the camera. I got the camera. I got the camera. I got the camera.
Look, you got that camera.
I got the
Save
camera.
up.
Kanaje. Kanaje. I swear, he's never hitting a lick with me. He's never hitting a lick with me. You know, you never, bruh. You never iced out. Uh-oh.
Oh, man. Hold on, no, let me get my phone.
Hey, stop flirting. Y'all flirting now. That's too much. It's too much of this flirting now. It's not cute. It's not cute. It's not cute. It's not
Very
cute.
cutesy.
So then what if we
It's
hit
not
you?
cute.
Mindful.
See,
Very
watch out. I
good.
got a camera. I got the camera.
I get the back of the head.
I got the camera. Going at it. I done told y'all, but I don't want to have to take off my belt in this store.
Boy.
Take off your belt in this store.
Hey.
That's just to show you stick and
Chill.
the camera.
I quit.
Do that again.
Why did you do that?
What you mean why I do that? You threw that pillow in my head.
You threw it at me. I'm finna get Kanaje. Where he at? Nia, pick your shoes up.
What?
Get your shoes.
That ain't my shoes.
Get your
Karate chop your head off.
Get your shoes.
It's not my shoes.
Kanaje finna hit you. He hiding. I don't know where he went. He just ran off. All right, let's find the bench. You said you could climb up there. Let me see you do it.
What if I work you?
Yeah, I don't. Look, you can test it with this one. This the one.
Okay. Back up.
Nia thinks she a spider monkey. That boy is holding Nia.
You said
All right,
these big?
hold this, Kanaje. Yeah, pass me one.
My hair.
This is normal, y'all. This is how you get the bench. You can't reach it?
I don't think so.
Wait.
Oh, this one's together.
Yeah, push him. Wait.
I
Okay,
don't want it
push.
to fall on.
Nah, I'm gonna get the top
Both of
one.
us got them.
You
It's
hold the
like
bottom
both on
one.
this
When the top one fall, I'm gonna grab it. Okay.
It's together. Like, look at the
Let
side
me get
right
the
here.
camera. You
Look.
tweaking. I ain't gonna let you do
This
that with
ain't
the
gonna
camera.
come.
Yeah, let me show you how to do it.
Spider-Man. Oh, they are together.
Exactly.
No, they're not.
Oh no, they not. Nia, look. Look, Nia.
I've never done a one myself before. Wow.
We used to build forts like this. Okay, not
See,
now.
we got here.
Okay. I'm hot. Yeah, that took a lot of energy. We gonna need to. Yeah. What you feeling like? When you gonna
Here,
climb?
back up and jump.
You climb up this? You climb stuff too?
These some good bins for $11. It's no way these $11.
We getting these. On bro.
Bro, these.
On bro, we getting these.
And they got the
All right, carry that one. We finna go check out. Oh, I need hangers. Napkins. We just ran. You remember we using the last rod? Nigga, who you feeling like? You trying to be, bro? You trying to be hard in front of Nia, cuz. That impress you?
Y'all almost thought about Hercules.
Man, get your ugly.
I'm trying to tell you.
Watch out. Trying to be cool. Finna run into people. Just spray me, cuz. What is wrong with you? Do I stink or something? Why did you spray me? No. Kanaje been a gentleman. He went to go get the basket. We had to get a little extra stuff. Right?
Yeah, cause the stuff that you.
Hey. Oh, y'all. Neil was talking about this lady stunk. Not that lady. It was another lady.
It was a what lady?
A what?
Remember that?
Why do
Remember
you sound
that
like that for real? You sound like a British person.
Wait, try to sound like a British person.
Say, what are you doing? Hey,
You sound like you from Jamaica or something.
Is you twerking? Ride through the aisle with my YN. Wanna play, you know I'ma have to drop in. Wanna play with me, I'ma hit you with that 3, 2, 1. Nigga want it do go slow. But this how slow we walk. Y'all, we forgot hangers and we was in that hanger. You walk like your sister. She be walking fast like that. I be like, slow down. Slow down.
They got
roll
some
down.
Mexican candy, right?
Y'all like Mexican candy?
4, 6 times 5.
6 times 3 is 18.
Yes.
Oh, no, you right.
You thought 6 times 3 was 21?
No.
Exactly.
Nah, she right.
7
Cause look, I was
7
thinking.
times 3 is 21.
I was putting 6, 16. I don't know why I was doing that. I tweaked with that.
So we were trying to figure out how many hangers to get, y'all. So we were trying to add it up. And they was having an argument. And they reminded me
of. know
of
his multiplication.
What's 12 times 12?
144.
Okay, what's 8 times 10?
80.
What's 8 times 11?
88.
Bro, that was easy.
That was easy.
It was. But at the same time, it's like, what's 4 times 6?
24.
6 times 7.
42.
Okay, she know her shit,
Tripping.
man.
Right, she know her shit too.
Who y'all feeling like?
Clock that, clock it.
Y'all finna do a TikTok? I like how y'all didn't
Who wants to
invite
be in it?
Y'all didn't invite me.
I just did.
Oh yeah, I want to be in it. Yeah, I definitely want to be in it. Let's do this TikTok. Let's get us some light, shall we? Shall we get light?
You ready?
I was born ready, Miss Candice.
You look slow.
For me, ain't this a dance to this? Thought it was a, you know, it's something like that. It's not a dance to that.
Hold on, what was the number?
Y'all, so we just did a little TikTok. Y'all tap in if you ain't tapped in. We was like, but y'all, it is time for y'all to go. It's time for you to go, Nia. I know, cause it's getting late. I'm getting tired. I'm actually getting tired. Huh? She finna go. Kanaja, you not grown. Don't tell me when. She's finna go home. Nia, you ready? You got everything? You got your shoes and stuff?
No.
Nia, you was finna go. I'm not finna do this with y'all, bro.
She not ready.
I'm staying
she wasn't ready again.
You
I brought
going?
my PJs and everything.
Nah, but
Brought your PJs. You not staying. You brought them for no reason. No, she's
Yeah,
not.
fix your hair and stuff. Don't even worry about it. This nigga ain't talking.
She fixing.
This nigga ain't talking about nothing.
You trying to be, bro? Who do you think you are? You trying to be cool in front of Nia, bro?
Yeah,
We already told you what's going on, bro. Don't act brand new.
Yeah, but y'all.
I don't know if Nia hip to the rules or whatever.
But y'all overly doing it.
It don't matter. It's late. It's 8 o'clock.
At the end of the day, I'm staying the night.
That's what I'm saying, bro. And,
Not in my house.
Yeah.
I pay bills here.
And like I said, y'all overly doing it now. I'm thinking y'all playing like.
I don't know. We
Like
not
I told
playing,
no
bro.
fun.
I don't play games with you, bro. I don't know why you think I'm playing. I don't play games with you,
You
bro.
don't play games with
No, I don't play games with you, and I'm not finna start today.
I don't care what.
Okay, bro. Then
I'm
leave,
telling
bro. You want to go back, bro?
What do you mean? Do I want to go?
Because we already done discussed the
I wanna
rules
go
to you.
back, but
Okay,
she
then why are
staying
you
to
steady
that
talking to me
house.
about
No,
that?
but
No,
she's
bro.
staying there.
She's not staying, bro.
Yes, she is, bro. Hey,
I believe
keep
I
doing.
post
Hey,
everything.
hey, keep doing what you doing. We not worried about broski. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, you be quiet and just.
Who was you talking to,
and
bro?
let it be, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You tripping.
We finna take. See what I'm saying? You getting too comfortable already, bro. We done told you the rules and regulations for you to stand. Nigga, I don't care what you saying. Nigga, who you feeling like? Bro, I don't care. Nia, come on, bro. Nia, where's your clothes?
much.
Nia, put on your shoes, Nia.
No.
Nia, put on your shoes.
No.
I don't know why you fixing your edges. You finna go home and go to sleep.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
She finna go to sleep here.
Grab your stuff.
She finna go to sleep here.
Bro, she's not. This is my house. This is not your
I
house.
don't care.
You finna get out your self.
Okay, and I'm finna tell you now, we not sleeping on the couch, we sleeping in your bed.
Boy, you dumb as
On the couch.
Exactly.
bro. Y'all pissing me the fuck off. Y'all got me. Come on, Nia. Come on, Nia.
No, I'm
Come on,
not
Nia.
Hey,
leaving.
stop touching her, bro. What you on?
Right, I'm not leaving.
You tweaking.
Bro, come on.
You tweaking.
Come on,
You
Nia.
know how they be like laughing.
You finna get off.
You know how they be like laughing
Get
before
off.
you get crazy. You tweaking right now, gang. You finna make me mad for it.
I don't care about you. You this big. You think I'm worried
I
about
don't
you
care.
being mad?
Okay, and I don't care. And she still.
Okay, then get out. Come on.
No.
You
No.
getting out too, bro.
No.
I'm not finna deal with this. Come on, Nia. Come on.
I'm not
Come
leaving.
on, Nia.
I'm not leaving.
Nia, come on, bro.
I already told Maya and
Bro,
everybody
Nia.
that I was.
Maya, you didn't tell her nothing.
Yes, I
Come
did.
on, bro.
Come on. Hey,
Grab your
stop
stuff.
touching
Stop-
her,
you
bro.
stop touching
Stop
me, bro.
touching me. Oh, bro, on God. Hey, look, on God, boy. You keep on touching me, boy. It's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get critical.
Come on, bro.
Hey,
Nia.
Hey,
Nia.
I'm not leaving.
hey,
Nia.
hey.
Bro, we had a good day today,
Didn't I
bro.
just say don't
We had a
touch
good
her,
day.
bro?
We had a good day
Keep
today,
on
bro.
touching her, gang.
We had a
Stop
good day
touching her,
today, bro.
I'm
We had a
not
good day
leaving.
today.
Stop.
We had a bro. Watch out, bro. You better not put your hands on me. You know better than that. Watch
Stop
out, bro.
touching her, bro.
Come on.
I'm
Keep
not
on
leaving.
touching
Nia,
her,
come
gang.
on, bro. If I call your mama, I'm not
Call
finna
her.
play with you. I'm not finna play with you.
I'm not gonna play with you either.
Come on,
No, I'm staying.
Nia.
Bro,
I
you
literally
touch her one more
brought
time, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm
clothes
gonna
and
get mad
everything.
for her, bro.
Bro, I'm not. Bro, get your
Stop
goofy-
touching her, bro. I'm trying to tell you, stop touching her right now. You keep on touching her for. I'm trying to tell you.
Come on, Nia.
Bro, stop
I'm
touching
saying-
her.
Oh, Nia, bro. I'm not
No.
finna sit here.
Nah, but what I just
I'm
tell you
not
though, bro,
leaving.
she not leaving, gang, on God, bro. What do you mean?
How many times I had to say? Like, I'm really gonna
tweaking,
stay.
bro.
I'm staying tonight.
I don't care about what you talking about. Come on, Nia.
No.
You not grown, bro. So you acting
I
bold
am
because
grown.
you only doing that because it's like you always do this, bro.
Because Nicole's
You
not here. That's what
and you
you're
think
gonna
it's
say.
funny, bro. Back
you
up,
said
bro. You not even
every
in
Hey, bro,
this, bro.
stop touching me, bro.
You not in this, bro.
Hey,
Watch out, bro. Come on,
Like
bro.
I said, she not leaving.
Come
I'm
on,
not
bro. I don't
leaving.
worry.
No,
I'm not
bro,
worried about
I
none of
don't
that.
care.
Why
Okay,
did you
so
yell at him? I'm
because
not leaving.
come on, bro.
You're
Bro,
not
this ain't got nothing to do with
Matter of fact,
you.
nigga,
Stop
get
trying
her.
to say,
He gotta
bro.
take this up with
Watch
me,
out,
on
bro.
God.
You
On
not.
God. Hey. On God, told you stop touching my girl, gang. What I tell you,
I told you
bro.
I wasn't
When I
leaving.
know this nigga didn't just slap me, bro.
bro.
I know this nigga didn't just slap me, bro. Bro, I don't care about you crashing about nothing. You don't put your hands on a grown man, bro. You don't slap me, bro. You was in my house that I pay bills in. You don't slap nobody, bro.
Hey, how many times did I tell you not to touch her?
And I
I
told you I
told
wasn't
you over
leaving.
You think you grown, bro. You're not grown.
Hey,
I don't
bro,
care.
Hey, don't touch me no more, bro. I don't want to have to slap you again.
You
bro.
think you grown, bro, and I crash out, bro. As a grown man, I'ma crash out, bro.
Alright, bro.
Cause you think everything funny, everything a game. You putting your hands on a grown man, bro. I pay bills. I'm not finna sit here and go through this with you, boy.
At the end of the day, she's dead.
Stop talking to me, bro.
Dead.
He must think I'm a, ain't no fucking way he just put his hands on me, gang.